I actually went to a photo shoot, so my mom did my hair, and it looks so cute. But this video is not about my hair at all, actually. But you know how when you get gifts and you like some gifts more than other gifts. So let's say if a person got you socks, it's just like wow. But if a person got you a new game, like or a new board game or a new Barbie doll house, you'd be like, yes, thank you so much, I really wanted this. So today I'm going to be playing a game, and I'm going to have 12 items. I'm going to have 12 items, and I'm going to see if I like it and if I don't like it. And if I like it a lot, I'll give it, I'll score it 10. And if I don't really like it, I'll give it 1. So let's get started. Okay, I have this little gift bag, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, a Fancy Nancy book. Cool. And I love reading, you guys. So I think I'm gonna give this a 9. I like this, and it's so cute and little. Very portable. Okay, moving on to item 2. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Ooh, we got 2 items. Ooh, cute mermaids. Awesome. Let's see what I'll vote this. I mean, they're not the best thing because their arms can't really move and all you can really do is waddle with them. I mean, I think it will be good bath toys though, like to play in the bath, but I will vote this a 5. Well, no, actually a 4. It's not really like something I would really play with. But yeah, I'll vote this a 4. Moving on to item 3. Okay, got my little gift bag. Let's see what's inside of it. Ooh, a bouncy ball. Cool. I like bouncy balls. Like, it's fun to play with, like, outside, inside, so pretty much anywhere. And if you're bored, you know how you just, like, throw it on the wall sometimes. So I would vote this, an 8. No, actually a 7. Sorry, I keep switching my answer. But yeah, I'm gonna vote this a 7. Moving on to item 4. Ooh, these are like my favorite. I love Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig action figures. We have Peppa and George. So cute. I love Peppa Pig. Guys, I love Peppa Pig so much that I will watch it when I'm 15. I love them. Oh, so cute. I would vote this a 10 because I love Peppa Pig. Moving on to number 5. Okay, it has some weight to it, so let's see. Ooh, I think these are called fingerlings. So cute. And this is Zoe. Hello. I would vote this 7. It's pretty cool. Moving on to number 6. Hopefully I get a good gift. Okay, let's see what's inside here. Seriously? An avocado, you guys. If someone gave this to me, I would hate it. I mean, I wouldn't tell them that, but I totally vote this a 1. This is horrible. Avocado. No thank you. Moving on to number 7. Okay, it has some weight to it, like the other one. Ooh, binoculars. Cool. I would vote this an 8. I love binoculars. Moving on to number... Okay, I gotta think. I have to count. Wait, sorry guys. Just wait a moment. Okay, sorry. Moving on to number 8. Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh, a little baby's bottle. I would vote this an 8 because, like, the milk can really move, and I love babies. So cute. Moving on to number 9. Okay, I'm kind of scared of this because this bag is pretty light. I mean, I'm not saying light stuff is horrible, but the avocado was light and I hated that. So let's see about this one. It's just a pin, you guys. I mean, it's a cute pin, don't get me wrong, but it's just a pin. Wow. If someone gave this to me, I don't know. I don't know what I'll be like. I'll be like, does it come with a journal or anything? Can I have a journal with it? But anyway, the pin's cute, so I would vote it a 5 because, I mean, I like writing, but they could have at least got a journal. Moving on to number 10. Yeah, moving on to number 10. This one's also light, so hopefully it's a good gift. Ooh! If someone got this for me, I would love this. Oh, I love Barbie dolls, you guys. I love Barbie dolls. They're so cute. This little Chelsea doll, so cute. I would vote this a 10. I love Barbies. I love Chelsea dolls. It's amazing. Moving on to number 11. Okay. Let's see. Ooh! A little pet shop. So cute. Little dog. Aw, so cute. Bobbly head. I would vote this probably an 8 because it's a cute dog and I can kind of like play with her to pretend it could be like Chelsea's dog or something. So yeah, I would vote this an 8. Cute gift. Okay, so moving on to the last one. Hopefully it's good. Okay, last gift. Ooh. A fidget spinner. I would vote this a number 7. Because, I mean, like, if you're bored, you could just kind of do that with it. So, yeah. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So my best gift was the Peppa Pig action figures and the Chelsea dolls. So cute, guys. I love them both. They're tied. And my worst gift was the avocado. Boo. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me see what you guys think of if you guys got these gifts. Would you guys really like it or or because I was for the avocado. I hated it. But I was like for these two things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day. Bye.